Hey Doodlebugs, let's draw Wednesday Addams. Okay, let's begin with a small half circle in the middle of your paper, like that. And I'm going to do a small dot and a small dot to make a nose. And then we're going to arch a line going over, across and down, and the same on that side, over, across and down. Then I'm going to bring a line across and across. Oh, you know I'm going to say it, but feel free to pause if you need to, guys. Now I'm going to do a small pupil and another one there. And then I'm going to go, makes it a bit darker going across, but add some eyelashes in at the same time. And the same on that side. Now I'm going to do a line going across like that. And then we're going to bend down and down like that. Then I'm going to go across and down and back to there like that. And we're going to do this bottom lip going across, around and up. And then a slight line, and two little end creases like that. Now I'm going to do a cheekbone and a cheekbone like that, and a chin just under there, and then just past this cheekbone I'm going to go down and across and up to there. Now in the middle here I'm going to bring a line coming down, down and down. And then we're going to zigzag to that hairline and then zigzag across to there. Then I'll bring another hairline across and down and across and down. And put an earlobe and an earlobe. It's a nice symmetrical one, this one, so it keeps it quite easy. And now we've got that mapped out, we can do another line coming out and down, and another one coming down and down to there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a neck coming down, a little thin neck underneath. It's quite a cartoony version, this one. And then I'm going to bring that to a point, and then a collar coming down and up, down and up like that. And then I'm going to do a finger shape just like this, and then go over and around and do the back of a hand like that. Then we can do a sort of rectangle like that at an angle to make a cuff, and just a hint of another hand like that. So we're going to show these folded arms, giving a sort of moody look. Now I'm going to do an arm going down and just curve around underneath, and same this side, down and curve around underneath. And then we're going to do a straight line coming down and a straight line coming down, and then we're going to go across, and then we're going to do 4 lines, oh sorry, 3 lines 1, 2, 3 to give the hint of some legs down there. And then you can go straight across and then make a rectangle shape, and then we can go down and down slightly in from the rectangle, and then bring that across, out, across, over, and matching that up on the other side like that. Now we're going to make these iconic plaits she has coming down the side of her head, so I'm going to do sort of these semicircles coming down, and the same on that side, and we're going to match again on the other, going the other way like this. And then we're going to go a point, and same again that side. Now it still doesn't look quite right because there's not enough black in there. She's sort of black hair, black dress, black boots, everything. So I've got a big thick black Tombow pen here that I'm going to sort of shade all these bits in with. You might have a different pen or a paint or whatever you want to use, or might want to do it in Photoshop. But so I'm going to fast forward this bit because it'll be quite boring. But feel free to colour the same bits in I'm about to do here. Okay, now that black part's in, it's coming more together. I'm just going to darken a little bit more around these eyes to give her that proper moody Wednesday Addams look, and we've lost the lashes a little bit there, so I might just try and put a hint in there, even if they come slightly past the hairline, and just darken all these bits in to give her that moody look. And then a tiny few lines underneath, so there's some ground under her feet. But basically, there you have Wednesday Addams. Would you like to see your drawings on the channel? If you've drawn along to any of the tutorials, please email them to artfuldoodlebug@outlook.com and I'll feature the best ones here.